Hey there, it's JG with Event Video Partners. And first of all, congratulations on taking a step toward creating consistent, high quality content that attracts the clients that you want. I'm super excited to share this with you. This is a tool that's going to help you make sure that you get all the content that you need from anybody you work with, even if you're capturing content yourself. It'll help you develop a roadmap and accountability to make sure that all the shots that you plan get executed and you can use it in your content. So first, we're going to look at how to install this system. First things first, you are going to need a Notion account. So at the top right, you can hit Get Notion Free, and that'll take care of that. Once you have your account created, you're going to hit this Duplicate button, and that's going to give you the option to add this Sure Shot event content blueprint to your own workspace. So I'm going to add it to private for simplicity. So it's going to take a second. It's going to add that template, and then it'll show up. So template is ready. I'm going to hit See Template, and here we are. So this is the Sure Shot Event Content Blueprint, and that is how you install the system.